Buckwheat is a powerhouse of nutrients. Being gluten-free, it can be an excellent substitute for wheat, rye, barley and oats. It is thus considered suitable for those who are allergic to wheat and celiac patients. It has a high content of fiber and protein and significant amounts of iron and magnesium. Besides, it contains all the 8 essential amino acids. Buckwheat is also packed with phytonutrients which are amazing disease-fighting organic components. Now, the benefits. First is aids in weight loss. Whole grain buckwheat can be very helpful in weight loss. Buckwheat has fewer calories in comparison to wheat or barley. It is free of saturated fat and cholesterol and rich in dietary fiber and protein. Second is diabetic friendly. Being low in calories and fat-free, buckwheat is an ideal food for diabetic patients. Third is reduces blood pressure. Buckwheat is a good source of magnesium which is instrumental in improving blood pressure by relaxing the blood vessels. Fourth is cardiovascular health. Being rich in B vitamins, particularly niacin, folate and vitamin B6, buckwheat is highly beneficial for the cardiovascular health. These vitamins reduce the concentration of cholesterol in the blood. Niacin causes an increase in high-density lipoproteins which further enhance the blood vessels run, GTH and cholesterol removal. Fifth is protection against childhood asthma. Consumption of whole grains such as buckwheat can reduce the risk of childhood asthma by around 50%. Sixth is healthy bone structure. Manganese present in buckwheat ensures healthy bone structure by forming essential enzymes for building bones and acting as a coenzyme for assisting metabolic progression in the human body. It is also actively involved in the formation of connective tissues, absorption of calcium, and metabolism of fat and sugar.